This is Motorola Moto E6S, and today we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint ID unlock method for a screen. So launch settings, then enter the security and location, then fingerprint. Next, choose what backup method will go with it. You can either go for the option of pattern, PIN or password. I'll go with pattern myself, draw the pattern that I would like to use. Next, redraw it, confirm. After that, we will be able to start finally enrolling the fingerprint, which is located, the scanner for which is located at the back, right at this little M or Motorola sign. So simply touch or lay and lift your finger onto the scanner until the whole surface of your fingerprint gets, well, scanned and read. As you can see, my fingerprint was successfully enrolled, so now I can lock my screen and test how well it works. So the screen gets unlocked. So here, as you can see, I have my screen locked. Once I lay my finger onto the sensor, the screen unlocks. So moving to the next feature that is located at the display category, it is called the night light. It basically just makes all the colors of your interface warmer, thus reducing the eye fatigue level, not the adaptive brightness, the night light. So turn it on like so. As you can see, everything becomes yellowish. It effectively filters out the blue light. Here you have a bar that allows you to change the intensity of this effect, so make it cooler or warmer respectively, as well as set up some schedule for this mode to be automatically enabled and disabled. So the next option for today is located at the same display category. It is called the ambient display. So in here, just switch on this toggle, and once your screen will be locked and you lift your device, as you can see, you'll get this little ambient or always on display kind of thing that will briefly show you some brief data, for example, time, the most recent notifications, date, and what's not, just show you the most critical data. Next option for this video is located at the accessibility category of settings. It is basically a magnifying tool that you can use, so magnification. You can either turn it on with a triple tap or button. I'll actually set it to be activated with button. So not sure which shortcut, which buttons, or here it is, I guess, right? Yep. So once you turn it on, you turn the button activation on, this little icon at the navigation panel appears. So once you have this orange frame, you are in the magnification mode, so tap at the zone that you would like to zoom into. As you can see, it gets magnified. In here, you can change the scale of magnification by making the following shrink and swipe. You can either zoom in or zoom out of things. So a very cool feature to have once you have some tiny elements or tiny text to read or see, I guess. So here it is. And fifth and final option for today is a very small yet useful tip. As you can see, currently we do not have the battery percentage being displayed at the status bar. In order for me to see the exact percentage, I need to launch the notification panel. So if you would like to see the battery percentage near the battery icon at all times, just open settings, enter the battery category, and turn on the battery percentage switch. And as you can see, it appears right next to the battery icon like so. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. If you have any questions left, ask them in the comments, and bye-bye.